You won't believe what happens when you pour vinegar into your toilet tank. It's super easy to do, and you're going to love the results. You've probably never thought of using vinegar like this, but once you see why, it'll become a regular part of your routine. First, you'll need to shut off the water to your toilet tank. You just turn off the water valve, and then flush the toilet to empty out the tank. Once the tank is completely drained, grab some white vinegar. Let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from today. I'll be giving special shoutouts in my next video. Today's shoutout goes to Cody from Texas. I've got this spray bottle filled with white vinegar. Spray it all around the inside of the tank, especially in those tricky spots that water never reaches. Once you've covered the entire area, pour about 500 milliliters of vinegar directly into the tank. Don't worry, it'll sit there and work its magic. After that, add about 2 liters of water to fill the tank completely. Easy, right? Now, here's the important part. You're going to let it sit for about 2 hours. This gives the vinegar enough time to dissolve all that hidden buildup inside your tank. After the 2 hours have passed, grab an old toothbrush and use it to scrub the sides of the tank. You'll start to see all that grime lifting off so easily. The water in the tank will turn cloudy, which means all that dirt is getting released. Once you're done, flush the toilet to empty the dirty water. Then, just turn the water valve back on and watch the tank fill up again. You're going to be amazed by how shiny and new your toilet looks. This simple trick will not only remove stains and buildup from your toilet, but it will also prevent the formation of new deposits. Your toilet stays cleaner for longer with no extra effort. You'll never look at vinegar the same way again.